Welcome to the Balanced Humanity. Now we discuss about the topic what is the difference between disease and disorder. Defining disease and disorder while almost the same thing, they are not. Let's discuss what is disease and disorder. A disease is a particular abnormal condition that negatively affects the structure or function of all the parts of an organism. So basically whatever within the body which create unease like pain, dysfunction, distress, social problem are called disease. Disease is basically the discomfort in the body which can be cured. Disorder is a particular abnormal condition that affect the mental health of an organism. Anything which is away from order in our mind create mess with our mind and behavior. Disorder basically used for mental problems and it can be cured and manageable. Now we discuss about what is mental disorder. Mental disorder basically based on 4 Ds. A mental disorder is a syndrome characterized by clinically significant disturbance in an individual cognitive, emotional regulation or behavior that reflect a dysfunction in the psychological, biological and developmental processes underlying mental functioning. Mental disorders are usually associated with significant distress or disturbance in social, occupational or other important activities. An expectation or culturally approved response to a common stressors or loss such as death of a loved one is not a mental disorder. Socially deviant behavior, politically, religiously, sexually, and conflict that are primarily between the individual and society are not mental disorder unless the deviant or conflict result from a dysfunction in the individual as described. Mental illness is nothing to be ashamed of. It is a medical problem, just like heart disease or diabetes. So we should consult to a psychologist or a psychiatrist to deal with these